Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert left subscript and superscript in Microsoft Excel. Go to the insert tab. Select your distance. Then go to the insert tab. Click equations and select script drop down list. Then now print left subscript and superscript, then click here. Okay, resize this. Go to the home tab or right click the home tab, right click mouse, then resize it. Okay, and type your okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.